Okay, I'm filming.
Help.
Okay.
Is he up here?
Okay.
Andy!
What's the problem, honey?
Please get me out of here.
I think that any person that goes back in there a second time is nuts.
Paul,
You really want me to help
please,
you?
Paul.
Shit. You're getting stuck.
Come on, I'm getting blood in my head.
Okay,
You're getting head in your
let's see,
blood.
let's see if I can help you
Come
this
on.
time. Uh-oh.
Mom, I think you went down there too far this time.
Uh-oh, you're stuck.
Don't let me get
1, 2,
stuck.
3, go.
Wait. I'm stuck.
All right.
Okay, there you got it.
Okay.
This is ridiculous.
Okay, give me your hands. 1, 2, and 3. Holy
Mom, why did you get...
Oh, my bell.
God!
That was really ridiculous.
Oh.